Hello. I bought your app and want to show you a couple of mistakes that I've found or bugs in the app, and they just don't let me work properly. So I was expecting you to give me some clues because I already read the user's manual and I can't find something I might be doing wrong, or maybe I'm just not doing it properly. So anyhow, I want you to take a look of what I'm doing. So basically, I've set a pretty simple example, and I'm gonna set the parameters on each element. 12 at 5, 30 more at 10, and then just 4 more at 5, 50. Okay. And that's the reference boss. Some of the values are already there since I've been putting values to previous examples. Though I don't know why they can't stay there, and I've been trying pretty much all the tricks that I can think of. And I will leave that 5. Okay, then I'll set the maximum limit of the branch to 50. I will let those as they are, and if I want to check again, the reactance and the resistance have already changed. If I check again, everything has disappeared. The thing is that, okay, I will put that again, because the first time I was just setting parameters, and after that I just put solve, and you can imagine the surprise I got, because I had all these weird values, all these weird answers, and I wasn't sure what was going on. And if I press here, okay, they haven't changed so far, and they are still there. So I'm gonna put solve on this one, solve now, and done. And that's the other surprise. As soon as I put solve, you saw that the values I put, and now I have these ones out of nowhere, and I have no idea what does it keeps doing that. And this is a very annoying issue because I have larger models with much more components, and you can imagine how frustrating it can be when you get to the fourth element and you're setting parameters, and just for giggles you go back to the first element and realize that it has nonsense values like this. And I also tried, like, for example, putting the values and setting them as default, just to see if that would make any difference, and it didn't. So yeah, let's just leave that 10 at 0 the first step, 15 at 50, and we'll put 50, 1, 1, now we'll just hit solve, and I have a value somehow, and The reactance value, as you can see, has already changed. I don't know why. And it keeps doing, no matter if I set them as default, and I just can't think what's the mistake behind it. So I wish you could really help me, because I was expecting a lot out of this app, and I'm doing a subject which is closely related to energy markets, and I was expecting to use your app as a good tool to check my results and check the assignments I am doing so far, and just, as you can see, won't get anything out of it. By the way, the iPad that I'm using is an iPad Air 1. I don't know the model number of that one, but yeah, it's the iPad Air. And the OS, I've used it when I recently installed your app. I was running on 9.1. Yesterday I upgraded to 9.3 just to check if that could fix the bugs, or if that was some issue related to the software, to the iPad software, and nope, it kept doing the same. So that's it. Thank you.